Today, I'll show you how to streamline your project communications with AI-powered status updates for your client portal. This feature allows you to automatically generate status updates from your project data and email them directly to your clients. Your clients will also be able to view them on the client-facing version of the portal when they are signed in. This means no more manually reviewing project progress. You can let client portals do the heavy lifting for you. To start, we're going to navigate to the portal that you'll want to add the status update to. And here you can see this button, Create Project Update. We'll let it load, and it says here, Project Update Generated. So this is how it will look like. Like I said, this is AI generated, so if there's anything that you'd like to add or remove, you can hit Edit here and make your changes. You can also delete the entirety of the status update here. And in order to email to your users or your clients, you can hit Share, select who you'd like to send it to, and click Send. They would be receiving an email update with all of this information. If you've made multiple updates, then the system will automatically gather all of this information and provide updates based on the previous state of your project. So if any other tasks have been completed or moved to a different status, it will include that in your client update. This is how the status update will look like on the client-facing version of the portal.